much? 1,000. My Garri red well for me and it's dry.
Let's our shop. Put that teller. Okay.
It's nice. Check out one.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ebys'Lady on the beat, and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. Guys, come with me as I travel to Ukpara village to get some Garri for a client. A client in this YouTube, guys, sent me an order to go and get some Garri for her, and I had to go, guys. You understand? It's money time, so we need to go and get this item for this particular client. I woke up very early as possible, around 5 a.m. to be able to meet up in this particular village, and this is the first time I'm traveling to this bush market. If you need some certain things, you need to go to the bush market where you can get them, at cheaper prices. You understand? This is where wholesalers and retailers also come to buy their items. So on getting to this particular market, Ukpara market in Delta State, I had to head straight to where they are selling Garri because it's morning time. And if you miss it that morning time, you might not get what you want. My client said she wants dried Garri. And I saw quite lots of Garri here, but I needed the dried.
Are you serious?
How much you want to buy?
The Garri dry?
No, we'll see.
When I asked her for the price of the basin that I want to buy, she said it's 10,500 naira. And each of that basin is going to give you like 6 basins makes one bag of Garri, which is 50 kg. You understand? So, and she said she's selling for 10,000 naira. I do some pricing, but she didn't agree. I had to go to another place because I had a particular price in mind to buy this particular Garri in this particular market.
How much did they sell one basin?
10,000.
No.
So as I moved to the next Garri seller, she told me to pay 10,000 naira and we are set to work. So what they do here, they take Garri from people, the villagers that come to sell their Garri, and they will buy it from them and now sell it to us. So I'm the third person that is, I think I'm the second person that is buying this Garri directly from the owner.
They hear me?
Auntie, I don't put price on you.
You put price.
And as they talk, the one take me sure as well. Take
Which one be the bag? Where is the normal bag of Garri? Now be this one.
No.
Where the basin? They get one basin. Where did they use? Where did they press?
I will bring the basin for you.
You talk, come they work for me. I want to buy at least up to 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7. That's at least 21 basin. Now I want to buy so. Go do customer now.
So after we agreed on the set price of this Garri per basin, 10,000 naira per basin, she started measuring the Garri because the seller of this particular Garri was still standing there for her to measure. And after that, we started measuring my own with the basin. You can see the basin that we are measuring for. This particular basin is measured for 10,000 naira. You understand? Per basin. So this is a basin that I'm pricing that is used to measure for me. They have different sizes of basin or measurement to measure their Garri. So this is a particular basin that I price that is 10,000 naira. So they will fill it and pour it inside the bag. So you will have to buy your own bag when you are coming to this particular market. You understand, to buy your own Garri. So right now she's measuring out my own. After we measure out here, we'll now pour it inside the bag that I bought there. So I also took out time to see if I can get one or two things in the market. They have different kinds of things in this particular market. And why I love village market, bush market so much is that their items are so fresh. Everything that you are going to be buying here is so fresh. Look at the
This one on the ripe. I don't want the one where they ripe. Oh. This one how much?
That one take am 5.
Mbano this 18 is done better.
You go poor.
Eh?
So the sister, fit poor.
Okay, back keep on like this. How much last?
4,000.
Maybe 3,000. Serious. Mama, come on something now. I might take them now.
Me na 3,500 but they buy.
We are still measuring because I needed like 3 bags. You understand? 21 basin. That was what my client ordered for. And this lady, the first time she saw the first one got finished, and she was waiting for her mother to bring the remaining Garri. You understand? And later we now got to her neighbor to get the remaining Garri to make it up to like 3 bags. And the 7 basin made up to this bag 3 bags and small bag.
I like that first one. I wait to let me. I don't want liver. POS. No, yeah, come.
Plantain season is fading out right now, and that is why plantains are very expensive. They beat scarce right now. This is not the season, and a bunch is going for like 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, and the cheapest one that you find is like 3,000 naira, and nothing much is inside it.
The smaller one. This one how much? This one. Who will put and be the problem now? How much last for this one? No, I don't get that amount. This one last how much? It cost now 6. Now small ones even. Nah. How much last you give me?
How much what?
You don't give me 2,000.
How much I buy when you? So you're not supposed to not tell the chicken. They toss more money at Cassava, and that's how they do.
You say?
Nah, if I get blasted, you don't got the price. I want turn up for you.
You say?
I think I'll tell you.
No.
How much what? I'm not buying this.
How about this fruit? Where the ugu person dey? How much? 1,000. How much the pawpaw? Now you dey who they sell? Eh? For all of them. How much? Now you dey sell? How much last now?
I think I want to.
What's it with this? Eh? How much? It is sweet. Now you do am. I be count. Make I see. You say na 100 naira. Give me 100 naira. How much last? Somebody give me this number I carry two now. No, if I open a mouth, see.
Because the Kiara is here, I share bush market and maybe go our shirt here. Check what I check it here.
It's nice.
Check out one in our color.
Give me number I carry two now. Eh?
Now one.
Give me two now.
300. It's not 4. It's not 4. It's not 4.
Hey, Mama, how much is this? They don't buy them. Who they sell? Eh? Are you the same? Yes. 3,000.
6,000.
Hey, Ukpara Jesus. Now me the last. Two there. That plantain you don't go.
You don't go now, go to buy now. See plantain now, see what this one happens.
Don't see him.
Back where she na banana.
They don't buy.
No, buy.
It's affordable. Eh? I go fit buy.
Why? Buy.
How much now?
These two have been at
No, now one piece.
Which one you want buy?
This one, how much? How much? Give me 3,000. You do something for me too now.
When you do something, now this one 5 for the plastic.
I don't get that amount. Now you dey sell our shop. Who dey sell am? No be buy. How much? Okay, we dey sell all this as in all. I dey video now, but you know, say I don't want buy all. I don't get money for all. No. Na market now. don't finish, oh.
Stop!